Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Power off the Samsung and remove the SIM card before starting work. Use airplane mode and drain capacitors for safety when possible. Use ESD precautions and work on a clean, flat surface with good light. Gather tools: Phillips PH00 screwdriver, plastic spudger, thin metal pick, heat source, and replacement battery. Use a replacement battery rated for the model, for example 4000 mAh. Never reuse swollen batteries. Keep a small container for 6 to 10 screws and tiny parts. Heat the back glass to 90 degrees C for 60 seconds and pry it open slowly. Use a suction cup and a plastic pick to prevent cracking the glass. Unscrew 6 screws securing the midframe and set them in order. Remove the midframe and locate the battery connector under a shield plate. Unscrew the shield, then disconnect the battery connector with a plastic spudger. Use a thin metal pick to lift the battery, avoiding puncture and short circuits. Remove old adhesive and clean the battery bay before placing the new battery. Apply 3M0, 5 mm adhesive strips and press the new battery into place firmly. Reconnect the battery connector and reinstall the shield plate with screws. Carefully torque screws just finger tight to avoid stripping small threads. Reinstall the midframe and ensure all cables sit in their channels. Reattach the back glass with even pressure and allow adhesive to cure for 1 hour. Charge to 50% and run a 30-minute functional test, including Wi-Fi and phone calls. Dispose of the old battery at a certified recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.